Alright, so got a little bit more of a handle on this whole situation. I had a chance to sit down and really read these instructions, and basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to removing the brackets underneath the sport bar on the rear, and then right by the cab there's two bolts that you loosen. And the only reason why you're doing that is because you have to get underneath the sport bar. There's a little gap where you need to put these seals. So each one of these, it comes with two of them, and basically what you got to do is slide it underneath that metal bracket in between the bed and the bracket, and then you basically seal it there. And once you've done that, then you can do the rest of it. So each side of the bed gets a rubber thing, and that's mounted flush with the top on the rubber that's already there. So that's called the side spacer seal, which is these things right here. So those run from the front all the way to the back, and you want to push these seals right up against the bulkhead, which is by the rear window of the truck. So it's got to get pushed up right against that bulkhead for a real good seal. And then this is the bulkhead seal, and that has to be mounted between the two front of the beds, and you want to make sure that it's got a good seal to not only the side spacers, but also to the actual rubber that sits underneath the sport bar. So that's the trick. So then after that, you're going to install the clamps, and there's rubber shims that come with these clamps, and they're all listed, and basically you follow those instructions. So now I've just got to go out there and follow the instructions and install it. It looks like it'll probably take half an hour, maybe a little longer if I had light. But since I don't really have light, I don't know if I want to do it right now because I want to video it, and I really want to make sure that you guys can see this. So, and it comes with these are just the sport bar instructions, and I found that there's an actual owner's manual, and this one gives you even more details of the installation procedures. So it really breaks down all the different parts, what you're going to need, and then the installation processes. So you install everything, and let's all hope it all fits together. So I'm going to do some more reading, and then we're going to start doing video of the installation.